This time the quick speed shop. Check it out. Bam! Finally some 33-inch rubber for Project Rusty Junk YJ. I'm a professional. Don't try this at home. See if we can get the old YJ to fire up here. Oh, there's my GoPro mount. I gotta take that off. I forgot that. Now, if you've been following along on Project Rusty Junk YJ, you know that I went to the junkyard and I got some junkyard 31 10.5 General 8 grabber all-terrains. But this thing has really got so much lift, it really needs bigger tires. I was looking for 33s in 15-inch, and apparently nobody makes them anymore for, I guess, because all the wheels on things are big, but looked all over the place. Nobody seems to be making 33, 12.5, 15s. That's kind of what I wanted to put on here, so I went to Craigslist. Yes, people still use Craigslist. And I was watching a guy, he had a set of aftermarket rims, like cheapy Kmart special rims with 33, 12.5 Pro Comp mud trains on them, worn down about halfway. And I ran out to Niagara Falls and I bought them, so bam, let's check it out. Let's put some 33s on this thing and see how it looks. Oh yeah, look at that. Bam, there we go. Some Pro Comp mud trains. They're about half down, I'd say. But you can see they're on some kind of chrome, cheapy chrome rim that somebody painted black. But they are the right bolt pattern, they're wide, and they're going to hang out there good. So let's go ahead and get these suckers mounted up on Project Rusty Junk YJ. Oh yeah, I think that's going to look good. Giving you a little bit more lift, a little more width, and some mud tire action. It's going to be awesome. Need one of those half-inch battery impacts for quick driveway changing, but I like doing it the manual way with a four-way. Just hit yourself in the face. Oh, here we go. It's happening. It's happening. Oh man, big tires are heavy. Get out of there. It was snowing when I went to get these. I'm not ready for winter yet. It's cold and nasty out here. Cold and nasty. Ooh, those really stick out. Let me go ahead and throw the rest of them on, then we'll check it out. Bam, that looks awesome. These things are super monster mudders here. They're hanging out, the offset on the rims is pretty good offset on them, so they're hanging out quite a ways out of the Jeep. But they picked her up. I got the, I think it looks good. It's about the right height. Here I got a lot of flex here. I got room. They shouldn't hit here. Piece of metal there, get out of there. They shouldn't hit here, should be close. I think 33 is about all I want to put on this thing. It's actually probably all the stock axles can handle, actually. I was looking around for a while, and like I said, 33s are super hard to find. This is the best deal I could find. I was looking for about 2 months. Everybody wants, you know, $400 for tires that are completely bald with no rims. So I paid $450 for these with the rims and with the tires. So I don't think that's unreasonable for what I got here. You know, they seem to be in good shape, and they're going to be fine for what I want to do with this thing wheeling. So, all told, in this project, I got probably about $1,000 tied up into it with the initial mods, fixing it, and then a little miscellaneous parts I put on it. So, I think that's a pretty cheap wheeler. It's way cheaper than a four-wheeler or a side-by-side, and it can do a lot of things and have a lot of fun. So, I'm super happy with it. So what am I going to do now that I got a whole set of Dodge Diplomat cop car wheels mounted up with 31 10.5 all-terrains? Hold on a second. I think I'm going to throw the 31s up here in my AMC Eagle. I built a custom lift on this back when I was in college. It's got about an inch ball joint space in the front and about 1.5 inch blocks in the rear. I had like I think 39.5s on it back in the day. They cleared, so I think the 31s will clear, but I'm just having this car in storage. It's not on the road. I need to restore it someday. But I'm going to throw the cop car rims on it because I used to run them all the time on this car, and it'll give back that old school feel with the big tires. And it's just going to sit in storage, so I might as well put some good tires on it because the ones on it are all mixed match and they're junk and the rims are all nasty. So I'm going to jack her up and put the 31s on it, see what it looks like. Hell yeah, man, that looks awesome. These things are monsters. I've actually trimmed the rocker panels and the fenders back when I had the other tires on it. These just barely touched the rockers. I trimmed probably an inch off them at least. But like I said, this thing's just in storage, so it's not going to be wheeling around anywhere. But that's super awesome. They barely fit on the back. Let me walk around and show you. Look at it, they're hanging way out there. That's super rad. And the thing looks like a beast. That's awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and wash these rims off, get this car ready to put back in the pole barn for storage. But it's going to look super cool sitting there with these monster truck tires on there. It looks awesome. Bam. So that's it. Got some 33s on the Rusty Junk YJ and got some 31s on my AMC Eagle. So that was fun, just monkeying around out here, putting old junk wheels and tires on Rusty Junk in the driveway. That's what I like to do. It's fun. Wheels and tires always make stuff fun. So there you go. The little wheel Jeep and AMC action. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Hit the bell for alerts, tell your friends, and we'll see you right back here at the Quick Speed Shop putting big tires on Rusty Junk.